So how do you go about installing Eclipse? Well, first thing is that you need to go out to eclipse.org/downloads and choose to download and install the proper Eclipse bundle. And for this class, there's a few different ones that might make sense. For example, there's one called Eclipse for Java developers, and there's another one for Java EE developers. I've gone ahead and used the Java developers, and that's the one we've recommended in the setup. Java EE just has more tools, more plugins. It's also a bigger download. And so for what we're doing, the Eclipse for Java developers is just fine. As you can see, there's several different platforms that are supported here, Windows, Linux, as well as Mac OS X. And in my case, I'm working on Windows, and it gives me the ability to download either a 32-bit or a 64-bit version of Eclipse. As we showed you in the setup video, when you download Eclipse, you choose the appropriate version, and then there's this big green arrow that you simply click on, and that allows you to pull down a zip file. I suppose if you're working on Linux, it'd be a tar.gz file. That zip file, all you have to do is unzip it. There's no extra installation that has to happen with Eclipse. It doesn't do anything with the Windows registry, for example. And so once we've downloaded this, we've unzipped it, and on our file system I've just put it on the C drive, we have an Eclipse directory. And in that Eclipse directory, we have the contents of what was inside that zip file. One thing to keep in mind is that when you download Eclipse, it does not include a Java runtime environment. Eclipse is a Java program, so it needs Java installed in order to run, but the installation doesn't come with Java. So if you don't have Java installed at all, you'd have to install Java to begin with. And minimally, if you had a JRE, that would be fine. However, we're going to want to be able to do some debugging, and so putting in a full JSDK is preferable. That way, in case you wanted to step into the source code of the libraries, you can do so. So either a JRE or a JSDK is fine to run Eclipse on. I'm preferring to go with the JSDK, and that's what we asked you to set up. So we've extracted the file, we have an Eclipse directory, and at that point we're ready to run Eclipse.